and this is Makeup Breakup Blog. And today I want to do something a little bit out of the box, like a get ready with me. We'll see how it goes. I recently just had my eyebrows done. They're looking nice and clean and beautiful and sleek. I feel celebratory, so I feel like just doing a quick little get ready with me because I'm feeling a little, I don't know, dowdy, simple, I don't know. I feel like I need some zhuzh. I need to wake things up. So with no further ado, let's get this started. So while we're mixing it up a little bit here, today I'm going to attempt to do all my makeup using one brand. And today that brand is going to be none other but Maybelline. Okay, the first thing I have here is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Treatment Makeup. Oxygen Oxide Sunscreen. Broad Spectrum 18. This is in Creamy Ivory, 120. Okay. So now we just twist it until this thing has the, hoping it's, this takes quite a few twists, so you'll be a while. Just take your time and it'll start to pop out, you see? There we go, isn't that beautiful? Lovely. Okay, so now we just, I'm hoping this matches. So I'm just going willy-nilly here, putting in the spots where I have a lot of redness, which would be around here, around the nose. Yeah. And it feels so good as it goes on because of that fuzzy little top. But I know some people aren't thrilled about the top because they worry about, you know, germs, but if no one else is using this and it's just you, then it's perfectly okay to keep the sponge. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go over this like so. And the next thing I have here, which I've already opened, is the Maybelline Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. And I think this is also in 120 Ivory, right? 100. This I've already tried. But again, you have to twist it. There we go. And then we, woo, this is bright. But that's okay. You put it around the spots that matter, right? And then we blend. Me, and this is the loose finishing powder. It's number 10 in Fair Light. Okay, this is what it looks like. Exciting, and it looks like it has a protective seal, so I have to remove that little plastic piece that's in there. I hope I can, wait, I felt it. Got it on the first try. All right, so the next thing I have here from this lovely set of this old makeup look from Maybelline is the blush. Is that a pretty blush? It looks like a mauve, right? This is in the shade 20. That's all it reads, 20. And this is also from the Maybelline FitMe line. And it is indeed mauve. Look at that beautiful color right there. Is that gorgeous, that mauve? Let's just do a quick test like so. Ooh. This gives me life. All right. Next thing I have here is from Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Like I said, I'm trying to keep it all in the family here with the Maybelline. And this is what it looks like, the packaging. It's really cute. I'm loving the raised letters there. All right. Always shake. And, oh, this is interesting. The brush like bends. It's very bendy. It's soft even, wow. And not for nothing, but this color, what color is this? This looks like a brown. This doesn't even look like a black. What? I need to check that box and see, because I think this would be the first time I ever got something with Maybelline that wasn't like black, uber black, more black, super duper black. I think this is brown. It appears brown. Like, I don't know. What do you think? It appears lighter. Really, it does. It doesn't. Where is the covering on this? True brown. Yes, 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 yes. Can you read that? Oh, this is gonna be my new best friend for the summer. And one more thing to add to the arsenal. This is the Hyper Easy Brush Tip Eyeliner. Gorgeous. And then what shade is this? It's pitch brown. Oh my goodness, thank you Maybelline for coming through with colors other than black, nor black, super black, black on black, pitch black. I mean, yes, it's standard, it's a classic, it's the standard, but for some of us, it's a little too severe. So to have like a brown or an auburn of any kind, this is so awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what the pencil looks like. It's very sleek, very sexy, and has a bit of a duochrome look to it. Love, love, love. It feels like a pencil. It even has the curves of like a number 2 pencil here, which is kind of interesting. And it has a bowl in there, which is nice. I'm gonna see how it goes on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is definitely a dark brown. I am in love. So let's see if I can do this properly without messing up my face. Because me and eyeliners, oof, but we'll see. Let's try this. Not bad, but you see how the definition, look at that. See the definition from here to here? Just saying. Just saying. Oh, that's nice. Love, 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 love. This goes on smooth. Again, I know it's brand new, just opened, but the fact that this is a dark brown and not any, you know, uber super dark black, or noir black, whatever the case may be, it is such a refreshing change to have a brown or an auburn liner. And it gives you a less severe, it's a less dramatic look, but it looks more natural and it doesn't look like, you know, so, especially if you're looking for a day look so that your eyes don't look like overpowered. This is nice. I don't have a lipstick or a bronzer, which would have been interesting if I had a bronzer, but I'm just looking at my overall look and I have to say it looks very fresh, very clean, and again, it's without a lipstick or a bronzer. What do you think? I love it. I love this fresh, clean look. What do you think? Are you a Maybelline fan? Let me know. If you're a Maybelline babe, let me know in the comments below. What do you think of this OG brand? Are they bringing it for you or what? Again, let me know in the comments below. Still one of the best games in town as far as makeup prices and performance. For a drugstore, not bad. Not bad at all. And I've heard such great things about the FitMe loose powder. I have to say, they are warranted. Great. The blush is beautiful. Look at that. I love it. And of course, you already heard me praise the fact that there's a mascara and an eyeliner. Both of them are in the brown category. Yes. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I can't get over it. I'm like yammering. I'm so sorry. But again, thank you so much. And let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure. And I will see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.